What's up, you guys? It's Andrew from the Handyman blog here, and I am just going to be giving you a little quick tutorial on using green screen in iMovie for iOS. I recently did a video where I was just doing it as a test run to kind of test things out, see how it worked, because I had never noticed the feature before, and come to find out, not a lot of people know that that's actually available there. If you want to do stuff like green screen, it is something that's actually really easy to do. They made it pretty intuitive. It's not as in-depth as something for like Adobe Premiere, but it is something where you do wind up having a pretty good product out there for something that's already installed on your phone, most likely. First thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to have your background shot. Now in my case, my background shot is just going to be this here behind me, my workbench. So yeah, with my Lizzie sign and all that good stuff. So that's the first thing you're going to need, that background shot that is where all of the whatever background piece is going to be taking place takes place. Then the other thing you're going to need is going to be a green screen, like this one right here. So what you're going to do is then take that video that you have with the green screen and overlay it on the background like so. You might avoid wearing a green shirt while you're working on a green screen though. Really? That's a little bit better. Alright, so that's what it's supposed to look like. How did I do it? Well, I created this video file called How I Did It in iMovie, so I've got a background shot in there already. In order to add the green screen layer on it, you'll go in, select video, find your green screen shot, and then instead of hitting the plus to add it behind the timeline, you'll go ahead and hit the ellipsis and select the green/blue screen option. Now this provides that hilarious object lesson on why you don't wear green on a green screen or blue on a blue screen, because the system's going to eliminate all of the green, which includes your shirt, so you look like a disembodied head. Now you'll also notice any shadows that you could see before it went to the green screen layer also show up there, so you want to make sure that your background is incredibly well lit and crinkle free as best as possible. So yeah, that's it. That's really all you need to know to kind of get started with playing around with green screen. Hope you can have some fun with that. Hope you can find it useful some way. If you aren't already a subscriber, definitely swing by, hit the subscribe button, check out some of my other videos. But yeah, thanks for coming by. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. And yeah, we'll see you later.